call it a $50 million mystery. Data analytics company Palantir buying more than $50 million worth of, get this, gold bars in August. According to a regulatory filing, the company is able to take physical possession of the gold at any time with reasonable notice. We reached out to Palantir to find out why they wanted gold on their books. They didn't respond to our request for a comment. Karen, you sort of did some fine print, looking at the fine print on this one. What'd you find?
Well, a little bit. So it was in the 10Q, which is what they released the other day. It talked about this August purchase. So this wouldn't be on the balance sheet that they had in the 10Q. So we don't know how they're going to treat it. Remember, we talked about Bitcoin and how it would be treated on Tesla's balance sheet, and that it would be at the fluctuation down. They would have to mark it down, but not up. I don't know if that would be the same here. I don't recall ever seeing this, except for maybe a gold-related company, and that would be a raw material or a work in process or inventory or something. It's interesting. It's sort of surprising. It's kind of, we were expecting like a Bitcoin or something like that, or an altcoin.
Retro or something. I don't know what you would call it.
It feels kind of like CIA-ish. Like I mean, if you think about also that, at least the relationship that this company has had with the government, and where gold has always been, this strategic reserve dynamic. And look, gold prices. This isn't a conversation about gold, but it's probably an interesting time to be making a longer-term commitment to gold, in my view. I realize, Bitcoin enthusiasts say, why bother? I think gold is proven to be very much a hedge against central banks here.
Guy, give me your best conspiracy theory.
Notice they didn't buy the gold ETF. They bought actual physical gold bars. It's fascinating. Yeah. There's no listen, I mean, I could talk about this for an hour, and we only have a minute left. But I would say this is one of those days you bookmark. This is them saying, you know what, central banks are out of control, black swan event, good for them. And my sense is you're going to see more of that, and maybe them dip their toe into crypto as well.